Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? So guys, if you are not mining bondex, you are wrong. If you're not mining bondex origin, you are totally wrong. To me, this is the next core. So if you missed core, don't miss bondex origin. Okay, these guys, they are one of the best Web3 projects out there, and they are giving out their tokens for free to everyone right now. Okay, so why not take advantage of this? I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Use the link and start mining today. Okay, so if you come to places, if you come to this icon right here, you see one of the functions of this one of the functions of the project. Now they are going to be giving crypto jobs. Okay, so they say bondex jobs are coming soon, so we have to wait for them. They are still working on their project. So, and if you also come to this icon, that is where you see your profile, fill in your profile, add some other things, your resume, every other thing that you need to add, you add it there. I don't want to touch that place right now. Okay, so if I take you to their website, this is their website. Okay, now if you tap at this icon right here, you see different kinds of things, how it works, about us, media, academy, and contact. If you click on how it works, you see how it works for talent, how it works for introducers, for employees. So you can read up all these informations on your own. This portal right here, this is their job portal. Okay, they are going to be giving crypto jobs when they launch. So we are what we are building. You see the kinds of the things they are building: job board, professional network, curated news feeds, education marketplace. This is a win-win model for all participants. Okay, so if you come down, you will see their white paper, guys. See their white paper. If you read their white paper, whatever thing you feel about this project will change. Your mindset about them is going to change. Okay, a lot of things are covered in this white paper, and this is actually very, very wonderful. Their tokenomics, everything is here, so don't miss out on this project, guys. For now, you can mine it for free. If we go back to the app, well, there is no serious thing going on right now on this project. There's no news right now going. So what everyone is doing right now is just mining. So mine the project. You can also come to this icon. You will see some other functions in that place. So do well to invite your friends. And for you to invite your friends, you don't need to. You just need to click on invite your contacts. Okay, if you tap on that place, don't use code, use share. You tap on share. Share will give you the ability to share the link directly to your friends. Just click on copy to clipboard. Okay, you see copy to clipboard right here. So you click on that, so you can share your project directly, so that they can get your link directly. So the link for you to follow me to mine, I will drop the link in the description box below. So guys, let's mine this project. It's for free. No much news about them for now. We are just mining, and they are going to launch this year, 2023. So we are still early. This is February. We are still early on the project, so don't fail to mine. Take care, guys. For now, don't fail to join our WhatsApp and our Telegram communities. Okay, so for now, bye guys, and have a nice day.